What's up, guys? It's Marcus, the immigration lawyer. I want to talk about why some people get their green cards faster than other people. There's a lot of misconception around this. A lot of people, they'll see, their friend or their cousin, got his green card in 2 months and mine's taking 2 years. What's going on? There's a lot of misconception that happens. A lot of people think that cases get assigned like priority, because they're from a certain country or because they have a certain type of application, or the lawyer did something special. And that's typically not the case at all. There is skill that goes into preparing a green card application, but the reality is it's just logistics most of the time. Every immigration application is within some category. And, some cases are marriage cases, some are employment cases, some are asylum cases. And each category has its own processing times, its own wait times. And each case gets assigned to a human being, an immigration officer who works within a field office. And each of these field offices have different workloads. There's different, there's a different volume of officers working cases. Some officers can get through 10 cases, in a day or a week. And others can only get through maybe half of that. They get through 3 cases a day or something. Or maybe you get assigned to an officer who's currently on sick leave, right? They're on vacation. And so a lot of things can happen, even if you file a case, if 2 people file a case at the same time, they can get routed to different officers in different field offices. And the processing times can be completely different just because of that. So there's no magic, answer to it. It's just usually just logistics. And so if you're in that position where your case seems to be taking longer, don't automatically assume that it's because something is wrong with your case or because your lawyer did something wrong, or, there's nothing that you necessarily need to be suspicious about. It's just logistics, and it's just the way that the process works sometimes.